How can I fix the issue of missing emails in Outlook?
Hello. Today we're going to tackle a common problem many Outlook users encounter: missing emails. It can be quite frustrating when you can't find an important email in your inbox. However, don't worry, as there are several methods to fix this. Let's dive in and see how you can get those missing emails back.
Are the emails in your junk or spam folder?
The first thing to check is whether the missing emails have ended up in your junk or spam folder. 1. Open your Outlook application. 2. On the left-hand side panel, you should see the Junk Email or Spam folder. Click on it. 3. Browse through these folders. If you find the missing emails, select them and move them back to your inbox.
Did you accidentally delete the emails?
It's possible that you might have accidentally deleted your emails. But don't worry, you can still recover them from the Deleted Items or Trash folder. 1. Find and click on the Deleted Items or Trash folder on the left-hand side panel. 2. If you see your missing emails there, select them and then click on Move to place them back in your inbox.
Is your email filtered?
Outlook allows you to set email filters. Check if you've set any filters that might be hiding your emails. 1. Go to your inbox. 2. Look for the filter button, usually located at the top of your email list. Click it. 3. If any filters are active, disable them and check if your missing emails appear.
Are your emails archived?
If your emails are old, they may have been archived. Here's how to check for archived emails. 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Click on Options, then Advanced. 3. Under Auto Archive, click Auto Archive Settings. 4. Note the folder location where Outlook is archiving your emails. 5. Go to that folder location to find your archived emails.
Are there any issues with your email server?
If none of the above steps work, there might be an issue with your email server, especially if you're using an IMAP or POP email account. 1. Click on File, then Account Settings, and again, Account Settings. 2. Select the email account with the issue, and then click Repair. Follow the prompts in the wizard, and when done, restart Outlook. And that's it. We hope this guide helped you recover your missing emails in Outlook. It can be a bit scary when emails disappear, but as you can see, there are plenty of ways to retrieve them. Remember to keep your Outlook organized and always double-check your actions to prevent emails from going missing. Happy emailing!